may natagap akong image or picture na ads na on where if ito, father, mother, daughter, and son na meron silang mga kanya-kanyang insurance. Merong coverages kung kano yung monthly nila. So this is good. Gusto ko lang maintindihan natin ano ang purpose ng life insurance. Okay, let me show you. Ano ba ang basic needs ng bawat tao? Yes, tama kayo. Food, clothing, shelter. Yan yung basic needs. Food, clothing, shelter. And etong food, clothing, shelter na ito, nagbabase to sa klase ng income meron ang breadwinner. Okay, kung mataas yung kanyang income, mataas din yung food, clothing, and shelter, meaning mas maraming time silang makakain, mas maraming choice of food silang pwedeng piliin. Same with clothing, mas marami silang damit, mas mamahaling damit. Okay, kung average lang naman, okay lang naman din yun. So, average bahay, average damit, and average na food. Okay, and then kung medyo maliit lang income, so alam nyo na. So now, itong income na to, ito yung pinagtatrabahuhan ng mga breadwinner. That could be the father, that could be the father and the mother, pwede rin yung mother lang. So ito yung poprotektahan ng life insurance. Kaya tinatawag din natin dito yung life insurance is income protection fund. Okay, poprotect natin yung income. Na in the sad event that can happen in somebody's life, especially to the breadwinner, yun ang i-replace natin. Kasi yung breadwinner siya yung nag-create ng income, right? So, something happens to the breadwinner, so wala na rin income. Paano naman itong mga dependents? Paano na si kuya? Kapwa na si ate? Okay. We are at risk. Lahat tayo at risk with these sad events. Ano ba itong sad events na ito? Sickness, accident, and death. Okay. So, if this happens to a breadwinner, etong income na to pwedeng mawala. Okay, paano ngayon itong food, clothing, shelter ni kuya at ate? So, okay, let's say have an example, quick example. Kunyari ang monthly expense ng isang family kunyari is 50,000. 50,000. Multiply natin yan sa 12. That's how much? You're right, 600,000. 600,000. Yan ang kailangan sa isang taon. Ilang taon mabubuhay? Ilang taon ba si kuya? Ilang taon ba si ate? Pag palagay natin si kuya is 10 years old, si ate, kunyari, 8 years old. So, doon na tayo muna kay kuya, 10 years old. So, para makarating siya ng legal age niya na 18, kailangan niya 8 years. Si ate, kailangan niya ng 10 years. So, lagyan na si 10 years. So, 600,000 times 10 years. Tama. 6 million. Yan ang kailangan nilang pera. Ang tanong, saan nila kukunin yung 6 million yan in that event? Mangungutang, magbebenta ng property, saan? Diyan papasok ang life insurance. Small amount for big unexpected expense. Follow for more tips here at Coach Alpi.